Hello friend, this is a 2 mark question on DBMS on topic relation algebra and relational calculus. Here we are given a scheme of airline flight information with 3 relations: flight, aircraft and employees. And we are asked here to which of the following given 2 queries return employee IDs of employees who make second highest salary. The first query return employee IDs of employee E1 such that there exists employee E2 in employees where E2 salary is greater than E1's, and there doesn't exist employee E3 such that E3 salary is greater than E2. The last part, make sure that E2 are the highest salaried employee, and since E2 salary is greater than E1, that makes E1 second highest salaried employee, and we are returning employee IDs of such employees. Hence first query is right. Now talking about second query, which is a nested one, we will first look at the innermost query. Here selects max from salary. Select max salary from employees E3. So it will basically select maximum salary from the database. From the outer query, we are finding salaries from the database which is not equivalent to the maximum salary. That means the second highest salary. So basically the innermost query will give second highest salary. Inner query. Now from the outermost query, we are finding employee IDs of employees whose salary is equal to second highest salary, which will give the desired result. Hence both queries are right, and the correct answer to this question is C, both A, 1 and 2. Thank you.